Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. Kvass style drink. Here we need some clarity about what's in front of us. It's just regular soda flavored to taste like kvass. The ingredient list of a kvass style drink is much longer than that of natural kvass. It may contain acidity regulators, preservatives, sweeteners, as well as so-called color additives or dyes. Essentially, it's a syrup-based cocktail, even though it includes some kvass component. They're also very often carbonated. You can actually tell if artificial additives are present just by the taste. A metallic aftertaste or a hint of bitterness will tell us that the composition contains sugar substitutes, which shouldn't be present in real, natural kvass. While natural kvass quenches thirst well, a kvass-style drink will actually leave you even thirstier. To be continued, stay with us.